Rclone is an open source command line program that allows you to sync files and directories. 31 means OneDrive. Rclone is a great choice for you. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can access Microsoft OneDrive from Linux with Rclone. Rclone is an open source command line program that allows you to sync files and directories to and from a variety of cloud storage services such as Microsoft OneDrive, this is what we want to do today together, Google Drive, Dropbox and Amazon S3. It's easy to use, reliable and secure. Rclone can be used to back up files and directories to the cloud and keep them in sync with local copies. It can also be used to move files between cloud storage providers or to mount cloud storage services as local drives. Rclone is written in Go and is available for Linux, macOS and Windows. It's free, open source and can be installed with a few simple commands. And the installation of Rclone I would like to show you today. The first thing that I have to do is to create a directory where we want to mount the OneDrive cloud storage to. I do this in my home directory by entering mkdir OneDrive, and this will create the OneDrive folder for me. And now we are ready to install Rclone. We enter sudo pacman -s Rclone. I enter my password and the installation just takes a few seconds and it's already done. The next step is that we have to start the configuration of Rclone. To do this, I enter Rclone config and the configuration starts. I select N for new remote. The name of the remote is OneDrive. And here I must search for the number of the connection that I want to start. And for me, it's the 31. 31 means OneDrive. The client ID is not required. The client secret is not required here. In this dialog, I have to choose one for Microsoft Cloud Global. I confirm with no. And now I have to start the automatically authentication with Rclone. And here my browser will be used that is installed in the system. I confirm with enter. And now I have to log in to my Microsoft account. And you see it has worked. I select one for OneDrive personal or business. Also here I select one. I confirm with yes. And I confirm that I want to keep that remote. And that's it. I can close the configuration by entering Q. Okay, now we have to mount the OneDrive cloud storage into this new folder. When I open OneDrive, you see that the folder is empty. But here should all the folders from the OneDrive directory should appear. To do this, you need the following command. Rclone vfs-cache-mode writes mount OneDrive. This is the connection that we have just configured in the folder OneDrive of your home directory. And when I do this, and now you see that the OneDrive folder shows up all directories and files from the OneDrive cloud storage. You see on the right side that I have created a little bash script that I have added to my auto start of my window manager, and every time I boot up into my window manager Qtile, the connection to OneDrive will be established automatically. And I would really recommend that you do the same in your installation, and then everything runs smooth and everything is up and ready when you log into your window manager. The nice thing here is that every file is in sync with the cloud storage. So if you change something, Rclone will make sure that this change also is then available in OneDrive cloud storage. So it's more a network connection, yeah, to OneDrive instead of a copy. Yeah, it's really you working directly on OneDrive. Let's see how it looks like in the Tuner file manager. Also here you see that the folder OneDrive is mounted, and when you click here, all directories and files are also popping up. And that's it for today. So if you are looking for an easy way to sync files and directories to the cloud, or to mount cloud storage services as local drives, Rclone is a great choice for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.